Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. Let's make delicious veg quesadilla. So for that I have taken finely chopped carrot, corn, bell peppers, onions, and adding a little cilantro, green chilies to make it spicy, and taco seasoning. And now we are adding black beans. You can also use pinto beans, but I prefer black beans for this. And if you don't like much veggie, you can add less veggie and more beans. Now I have added salt and mix it all well nicely. And here it is all ready. It's all ready. And add more or less veg, it's up to you. Now I'm gonna take a tortilla and I'm gonna spread this mixture on one side and sprinkle a little bit of taco seasoning again for the kick. And then I'm gonna spread the cheese. I'm adding very less cheese, but if you like cheese you can add a lot more. And now I'm gonna again add more beans on top and mix it up like that. That's optional, you can just leave it cheese on top. Now I'm gonna fold it over and let's grill this. Now within a minute or two, our quesadilla is ready. And look at this. And I'm gonna cut it and show you from inside. I want you to hear the voice, how crunchy they are. So I'm gonna show you that in next clip. But look at this, it looks so delicious. Trust me, this recipe, you must try recipe. Now let's hear the crunch. Look at this. It is perfect for kids or any friends come over, really quick lunch. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.